Hello everyone, I am your host Danish, and welcome back to my travel vlog channel. If you enjoy traveling, exploring beautiful places, learning about history, and discovering amazing destinations across Europe, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's travel vlog, we are visiting the famous Olympiapark Munich, Olympiapark München, one of the most iconic attractions in Germany. This beautiful park is one of Munich's most popular tourist destinations, attracting millions of visitors every year who come to enjoy nature, sports, history, and entertainment. If you visit Olympiapark during the spring season, you will experience one of the most beautiful sights in Munich. The park is decorated with stunning cherry blossom trees covered in pink and white flowers. Visitors love walking beneath these blossoms, relaxing in the green spaces, and taking unforgettable photographs. The cherry blossom season attracts photographers, content creators, families, and tourists from all over the world.
Silence, it's too hard. I keep running, still I find echoes don't lie. Echoes don't fade with the night. Every memory stays alive. If I'm lost, it's still a sign. Echoes don't lie. No more words, just sound and time. Your echo crossing mine. Echoes don't lie.
Olympiapark has many spots where you can enjoy quality time with your children. There are dedicated playgrounds and many swings where kids can play freely and safely. While the children are having fun, parents can sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The park is not only for adults, even children have plenty of areas designed especially for them, making it a great place for the whole family to enjoy together. After visiting the cherry blossom area, if we continue walking uphill on this side, we reach one of the highest points in Olympiapark. This is an artificial hill that was created as part of the park and serves as a popular viewpoint. From here, you can enjoy a breathtaking panoramic view of the entire Olympiapark. This viewpoint also offers stunning views of the whole city of Munich. On clear days, you can even see the beautiful Bavarian Alps in the distance, creating an unforgettable landscape. Now, let's continue a little further up and show you the amazing views of the entire park and its surrounding areas from the top.
I still feel the world we built so unreal. I'm lost between us, falling in the silence. You left your ghost inside my mind, and I can't find the light.
One of the most famous viewpoints in the park is Olympiaberg, Olympic Hill. This artificial hill offers breathtaking panoramic views of Olympiapark, the Olympic Tower, the Olympic Stadium, and the Munich skyline. During sunset, the view becomes even more spectacular, making it one of the best photo spots in the city. Now, let's take a look at the history of Olympiapark. In 1966, Munich was selected to host the 1972 Summer Olympic Games. Following this decision, the city planned the construction of a modern Olympic complex that would represent a new, peaceful, and progressive Germany. The project was designed by renowned architect Günther Banisch and structural engineer Frei Otto. Construction of Olympiapark began in 1968 and was completed in 1972. The park became world famous for its unique transparent roof structures, which remain an architectural masterpiece and a symbol of modern engineering.
'Cause I'm lost in your eyes, falling slowly in disguise. Every moment feels so true. Guess I'm falling for you.
At the heart of the complex stands the Olympic Stadium. For many years, it hosted major football matches, athletic competitions, and international sporting events. The stadium was also home to many historic matches played by FC Bayern Munich before the club moved to the Alliance Arena.
I keep falling deeper into you.
The park also features a beautiful artificial lake where visitors can enjoy boating, walking along the waterfront, and relaxing in the peaceful surroundings. The large green lawns, cycling paths, and walking trails make it a perfect destination for families and outdoor enthusiasts.
I just let the moment fold. I'm fading forward, not looking back. Every step is lighter on this cracked up path. I'm fading forward.
Located right next to Olympiapark are the famous BMW Tower and BMW Museum. The BMW headquarters building is one of Munich's most recognizable landmarks. Inside the BMW Museum, visitors can explore the company's history, classic vehicles, modern luxury cars, electric vehicles, motorcycles, and future automotive technologies. Many tourists combine a visit to Olympiapark with a tour of the BMW Museum.
Out of the blue, losing my balance, but moving through. Still breathing, still
Another landmark of the area is the Olympic Tower, Olympiaturm. Standing approximately 291 meters tall, the tower was built between 1965 and 1968. From its observation deck, visitors can enjoy stunning panoramic views of Munich and, on clear days, even see the distant Alps. For decades, the Olympic Tower has been one of Munich's most famous attractions.
You tell that you're already gone.
Every month, thousands of families and tourists visit Olympiapark. Throughout the year, the park hosts a wide variety of events, including music festivals, cultural celebrations, sporting competitions, open-air concerts, family festivals, and seasonal events. During the summer months, the park becomes especially lively and vibrant.
Then a love we never kissed. We were almost almost real, almost touching. Signs tell me we could feel almost but we let it fade. Too afraid of love. We almost stayed. You say time is not our friend. The life is moving way too fast. But when you're lying next to me, I forget the future, fear the past. Every night feels borrowed time, like we're stealing something true. If loving you is a mistake, why does it feel so right with you? We were almost ours, almost true. Almost everything we never do. Almost ours, but we let it slide. Too hard, scared to choose a side. Maybe in another world we don't let go this way, but here I just almost love.
Mamma qui ci मम्मा चली गई है, मम्मा चली गई है।
But say now, your silence pulling me in. Every touch feels accidental, like it's not supposed to begin. We pretend we don't notice how our shadows intertwine. Every step is hesitation, every look is crossing line. We're almost something never was, stuck between the now and not. Almost love, almost stars, burning out before they fall. We're almost something never true, too late to run, too soon to choose. Almost me, almost you. In this moment, nothing's new.
Families with children will also find plenty of activities to enjoy. The park offers playgrounds, open green spaces, family recreation areas, and numerous outdoor activities. Nearby, visitors can also explore the popular Sea Life Munich Aquarium, where they can discover fascinating marine life from around the world. It is a favorite attraction for both children and adults. One of the most popular attractions in Olympiapark is its swimming pool, which is extremely famous and attracts a large number of visitors every day. Many people come here to swim, relax, and enjoy their time. Swimming is a great sport that is loved by people of all ages, and it is well known for its health and fitness benefits. The swimming facility remains popular throughout the year, attracting visitors in both summer and winter. Every day, large numbers of people come here to enjoy swimming, stay active, and unwind in this excellent recreational environment. Whether you are interested in history, architecture, photography, nature, sports, or simply spending quality time with your family, Olympiapark Munich has something for everyone. It is truly one of the city's must-visit destinations. The architecture and engineering of Olympiapark are truly fascinating. Anyone who looks at this remarkable structure is bound to be amazed by how it was designed and built. The vast glass roof appears to float above the ground, supported by a complex system of steel cables. It is incredible to think that such a massive structure, weighing thousands of tons, is held up by these cable-supported steel frameworks. The structure withstands intense summer heat as well as the freezing temperatures of winter, yet the steel and cable system remains strong and stable. Even after decades, this engineering masterpiece continues to stand firmly in place, showcasing the brilliance of its design and construction.
We don't talk about tomorrow. We don't ask what this could be. Every touch is borrowed time. Every look's a memory. Your lips say don't get closer, but your hands don't let me go. In this room of empty faces, you're the only thing I know. We're lost in the afterlife, and the night won't tell the truth. Dancing on the edge of love, with nothing left to lose. Lost in the afterlife, where the past can't reach our skin. If this ends before the sunrise, let it end where we begin. The DJ plays our silence in a minor broken key. Every drop feels like a question. You refuse to answer me. I don't need your forever. I don't need a name. Just stay until the echo fades and the lights turn the same. We're lost in the afterlife, when the night won't tell the truth. Dancing on the edge of love, with nothing left to lose. Lost in the afterlife, hearts colliding, falling in.
I hope you enjoy this travel vlog. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more travel adventures. I am your host, Danish. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next travel vlog. Goodbye.
The afterglow.